Welcome. This is how to connect custom domain to anything AI app builder. So first is, of course, go ahead and go to one of your project. And here, once you are on your project, guys, you can just simply build one or prompt it based on your preferences over here at the bottom left. And now once you have prompted your website, during the publication at the top right corner, you should be able to click on this and you should be able to have your domain over here. As you can see, these are the default domain that we have, and we could just simply copy it. Now, if you want to get a custom domain, you could just simply click on get a custom domain. But sadly, guys, you have to avail their pro feature in order for you to add a custom domain. So they will have two options over here. You could go start $19 per month, or you could go for $199 month, and down below you should be able to see all of the features that comes with each subscription. But the best option that we have is this one. As you can see, it has custom domain, so you could just simply click on get started over here. But if you want to go for monthly, you could do that as well. So pretty much you will get a best discount with the yearly, and select get started over here. Now over here, of course, you could just simply provide all of the necessary information needed in order for you to proceed with this process by providing your contact information and providing your payment method information. And you can just simply subscribe to the pro, and should be able to add your custom domain on the website. Now, another thing that I would like to add, if you want to go to the domain settings, you just simply go to the dashboard and should be able to see here domains on the left side of the screen. And now over here, you could actually buy a domain over here. You could click on it. As you can see, you could buy a domain or add a custom domain to your project to get started. Now it will redirect you to another tab, and you should be able to find your domain over here. For example, I'm going to go for tutorial best, and you could just simply select search. You should be able to see a lot of options that are available. And now, for example, I would like to go for this one, as you can see. And from here, it will be just the same process. We have to avail their pro subscription in order for us to proceed with this process. And there you go.